presenting a rare find from 1954. The Chrysler Imperial Sedan 4-door. Located in Plymouth, Connecticut. This beauty is now available for $10,500 or best offer, with only 150,000 miles. This vintage classic is powered by a 331 Hemi V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering a true piece of automotive history. The car has been well maintained, with no significant damage or history, and it runs, stops, and steers with ease. The exterior shines with a deep burgundy finish, while the tan interior welcomes you into a cabin full of luxury for its time. From power steering to power seats and windows, the Imperial is designed for comfort and convenience. Features ahead of its time. However, like any classic, it's a car that will need a little more attention to truly shine. The paint looks good from afar, but up close, you'll notice it's far from perfect. Still, it's an excellent opportunity for any enthusiast to restore and enjoy. This 1954 Chrysler Imperial Crown was recently discovered after being stored away for years, making it a rare gem. If you're looking for a chance to own a piece of automotive history, this is your moment. Located in Plymouth City, and offered at $10,500 or best offer, this Imperial is waiting for its next owner to bring it back to its former glory. For more details, click the link to buy on Facebook. Don't miss out. Cars like this don't come around often.